What's up, True Gold family? It's Hunter tapping in with y'all with another video. We're on the way on another delivery, and I just wanted to kind of talk to y'all about some watches today. So, you know, there's a whole bunch of debate in the industry whether icing out your watch is a good investment or not, or whether, you know, you should stick with plain Jane. But to keep it real, keep it honest, it's personal preference. Obviously, when you bust it down with a whole bunch of diamonds, that does decrease its resale value. Just because you add $40,000 in diamonds does not mean that you can resell it on the aftermarket for $40,000 more dollars than what it is, you know, original sticker price. So that I'm not debating. However, I love jewelry. I make jewelry, and I love diamonds. To me, diamonds have the value. So it is your personal preference. And if diamonds have the value to you, then you should definitely spend whatever your budget is on getting an iced out watch. You can get an iced out watch ranging from $5,000 to, you know, millions of dollars. But this right here is a Cartier Santos 40 millimeter, white gold, 23 carats. Check that out. Beautiful. I love this watch. So this watch retails for anywhere, you know, depending on the size and the amount of gold and carats of diamonds in there. Anywhere from $15,000 to $19,000 is where we sell our Cartier Santos watches at. And one of my favorite things about them is I love the bigger stones around the dial. Sorry about that. Like I said, we're on the way to deliver another custom. So y'all stay tuned to see what that one is. But I love the bigger stones around the dial, and I just love the blue look. Now, realistically, you know, is blue my favorite color? No. However, I do love how it looks in this watch, so I would definitely rock it. But you know, with jewelry, it's all about having multiple different options, multiple different outfits, because remember, we're telling your story. So it's kind of how you want to roll with it. So, and remember, iced out all the way on the side too. Stones all the way around. Perfect. So if you need anything, hit up me and the team. We're ready for you. And we don't just sell Cartiers, we also got Rolexes. Check out our Instagram page. We got Rolexes, Cartiers, we got Pateks, Audemars. I can get all sorts. So it's just whatever you want. I love Rolex, I love Cartier, so I post a lot of those two brands. However, we get our hands on all types of watches. This is just what I'm currently wearing today, and I like it a lot. We also got, just, y'all see this, y'all see these pinky rings a lot. They're one of my favorite. I enjoy wearing them, so probably gonna make 3 or 4 more of them so I can have them on all my fingers. But yeah, no, so I'm gonna let y'all see how it looks on the hand, and then that'll be a conclusion of today's video. I wanted to talk to y'all a little bit about some iced out watches and what you can get here at True Gold. So this is how it looks on the wrist. Beautiful. I love it. See, iced out watches are a great pairing with the pinky ring, in my opinion. That's my style. That's what I love to go with, so that's why I'm rocking it. So y'all tap in, True Gold, links in bio. Our Instagram and website are always active. My team will always reach back to you. You can hit us up 25/8, and there's always gonna be a response to you, guaranteed. Does not matter. So, like I said, y'all have a wonderful day. Thank y'all for tapping in to another beautiful video. You can get iced out by True Gold. We're here to help you tell your story to other folk.